In this video, I'll show you how to quickly download your WordPress website. This is super useful if you're backing up content, switching hosting, or just want a safe copy of your site. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. First, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. Log in with your admin credentials because you'll need full access to download the site. Once you're on your dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Tools. From there, select Export. This option lets you choose what to download, such as posts, pages, comments, and categories. Keep in mind this export mainly covers your text-based content, not large media files. Now click on Download Export File. WordPress will create an XML file you can save to your computer. A quick tip: rename the file to something easy to recognize, especially if you manage multiple websites. And that's it. Your site is now backed up and secure. Always keep a copy handy before making big changes. Hit that like button if this helped and subscribe for more easy WordPress guides.